Para din to sa mga tao na sugatan ng puso. This book is not only about let them and let me. Let them is let them kung anong iniisip nila tungkol sa'yo, kung ano man yung pinag-uusapan nila tungkol sa'yo. Let them and let me. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman makontrol. Para din to sa mga tao na sugatan ng puso, na nakakaranas ng pagiging heartbroken. This will help you kung paano ka unti-unting maka-move on. In order for you to move on kahit pa unti-unti, because this will really helps you. Sabi niya, it is not the time that heals, it is what you do with the time that matters. Oo nga naman no, hindi talaga time heals the wound. It is what you do with the time. Kung anong ginawa mo para maging productive ka. Number 1, sabi niya, remove all environmental triggers. Kasi mo yung mga nagpo-isip tungkol sa kanya. Then number 2, give your bedroom a small makeover. Oh, hindi lang sarili kundi yung iyong bedroom. Then number 3, reach out to friends, siblings, cousin, and co-workers. Kailangan mo nang may kausap. Number 4, fill your calendar. Gala-gala ka rin pag may time. And number 5, pick a challenge you have always wanted to do. And number 6, keep asking yourself this question. Medyo marami question yun, pero mas maganda kung babasahin mo tong librong tong mas maiintindihan mo. Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong libro, ililink ko lang sa baba kung saan ka pwedeng bumili at mag-check out ka na.